Okay, so in example 1, you need to solve these system of equations using elimination. So what you're going to do is you're going to add these normal, so 3x plus 2x equals 5x, and then this is where the elimination part comes out, because you have negative 5y and positive 5y, so these eliminate or cancel out. Now negative 16 plus 31 equals 15. Next you're going to divide by 5 like normal, and x equals 3. So now you know the first part of your ordered pair, x, which is 3. Next, you're going to input 3, or x, into one of these equations here. So I'm going to choose the first one. 3 times 3 from x minus 5y equals negative 16. Next, you're going to multiply. So 3 times 3 equals 9, minus 5y equals negative 16. After, you're going to subtract 9 from both sides. Negative 5y equals negative 25. Divide by negative 5. Divide by negative 5. Y equals a positive 5. So your ordered pair is 3, 5. Alright, next in example 2, they give it to you in a verbal form and you need to change it to an algebraic form. So twice one number, which is going to be 2x, to another number, which is y, equals or is 18. So let's write that out. 2x to another number plus y is or equals 18. Next, because you see the period, so now you know it's the next equation, 4 times the first number, which is x, so 4x, minus the other number, so minus y, is 12 or equals 12. Now you need to solve these system of equations, again using addition, because you see that they both cancel out here. So plus, and now 2 plus 4 is 6, so 6x, and this is canceling out or eliminating, equals 18 plus 12 is 30. Now 6x equals 30, divide each side by 6, and x equals 5. Again, you're going to plug x into 5, or 5 for x, and you know that that's the first part of your ordered pair. So 2 times 5 minus y is or equals 18. So 10 minus y is 18. Subtract 10. Subtract 10. Negative y equals 8. Now we need to divide negative 1 because negative y is the same as negative 1 times y. So dividing each side by negative 1, y is going to equal negative 8. So your ordered pair is 5, negative 8. So now in example 3, we have 5s plus 2t equals 6. And the other equation is 9s plus 2t equals 22. As you notice here, they both are positive. So instead of adding, you're going to subtract to get both of them 0. So 5s minus 9s equals negative 4s. And then these cancel out because this is going to equal 0t, and anything times 0 is 0. So these cancel out, and 6 minus 22 is going to equal negative 16. So now you're just solving like a normal equation again. Divide by negative 4, and dividing each side by negative 4. S equals a positive 4. So now you know the first part of your equation, or your ordered pair, is going to be positive 4. Now you're going to plug 4 again into one of the equations. So 5 times 4 plus 2t equals 6. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2t equals 6. Subtract 20 from both sides. 2t equals negative 14. Now divide by 2, and now t equals a negative 7. So the two parts of your ordered pair is 4, negative 7. Okay, so in example 6, we're again going to find the slope, but this time we're going to have an undefined slope, which means the line's going to be traveling all up and down the y-axis. So again, to find the slope, x is on the bottom, x2 minus x1, and on top, y2 minus y1. And then again, ordered pair is the first ordered pair is the 1, so x1 and y1, and x2 and y2. Good. So put these numbers into the equation. So 2 minus 3 all over 4 minus 4. It's going to equal negative 1 over 0. And this is undefined because anything divided by 0 is undefined because you can't divide something by 0. So next you're going to plot the points on the line. So 4 and 3. So x-axis 4, up 3, and 4 and 2, over 4, and up 2. Right here. And now all of the line is all up and down this y-axis on 4. So here, 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 here. Lastly, here. And you're going to plot the points on the line. All the way down. So in example 5 again, we're going to find the slope. And this time it's going to have a 0 slope. So it means that the line will be going this way because there's no rise or run. So again, x1 or y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1 is how to find slope. So x1 is here because it's the first order pair, and y1 is here because it's the first y, x2 for the second x, and y2 for the second y. And put these, so 3 minus 3 all over 4 minus 2. That's the 3, not 2. Minus 2 equals 0 over 2, or simply 0. So now to graph these, you're going to graph the points on the line. So for the first one, 2 is the x and y is 3. Here. And 4 is the y, or is the x and y is 3. And notice how they're on the same. And since your slope is 0, it's all on the 3 x-axis. So here, 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 and even there. And then you're going to graph it. Okay, so in example 4, again we need to find the slope, but this time we're going to have a negative slope. So the line will be going this way. So again, to find the slope, y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. And now plug the ordered pairs, x1, y1, x2, y2. 1 minus 4 all over 5 minus 2 is going to equal negative 3 over 3 equals negative 1. So now you have your slope. Notice it's just a whole number, so what you're going to want to do is put it over a fraction. So now you have negative 1 over 1, which is still rise over run now. So next you're going to plot the points. So x is 2, y is 4, so up 4 here. Next, x2 is 5, y2 is 1, plot the points here. And now you're going to want to start at the higher point and go down. So rise, so down 1. Now down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1, and up 1 to the left, up 1 to the left. So when it's negative, you're going to go up to the left. When it's positive, you go up to the right. Next, draw your line, and you get your ruler. Points are aligned all together, and draw. Okay, so in example 3, we need to first find the slope, and then plot the points on the line and draw a line. So to find the slope, you're going to use the equation to find slope, which is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x2. So first you're going to plot the points, or first you're going to input the ordered pairs into here, and then plot the points. So first, to know which one is x1 and x2 and y1 and y2, the first ordered pair is x1 and y1, so x1, y1, x2, y2. So next we're going to plot 3 points in this equation. So y2, 6, minus y1, 4, all over x2, or x2, 5, minus x1, 1. And then you're going to subtract these, and you're going to get 2 over 4, or 1 half. Now that you found the slope, you're going to plot the points in the line. So x1, y1, so 1 and 4, 1, and up on the y, 1, 2, 3, 4, here. And then the next point, 5, 6, so 5 on the x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here. Okay, now when finding the slope, 1 half is going to be rise over run. What that means is you're going to start here on this point, and you're going to rise 1 and go over 2. So here's the point here. Rise 1 and go over 2. And you know that the line works because it matches up with here and here. So rise 1 and over 2. Rise 1 over 2. Rise 1 over 2. There's the last point. And then you're going to draw the line. Here.